Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial, which is about beginners crochet, and this is a continuation on my other beginners crochet tutorials that I had. So we have learned a few things, basic things for crochet, different basic stitches such as chain stitch, slip knot, single crochet, double crochet. So today I thought maybe I will show you how to do a half double crochet. Okay, so first of all we are going to do a slip knot and a chain stitch. So there is a tutorial for that. If you are new and you are watching this video before of all my other beginner crochet videos, I will link it over here so you can go and check that out. So that is a more detailed tutorial on how to do a slip knot and a chain stitch. Okay, so first let's do a slip knot, and then let's do a chain stitch. So I'm just gonna do about 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how do we do the half double crochet? Okay, so first we are going to yarn under, and then we are going to insert the hook at chain number 3. So we are going to count. If you see, we have the chains here. So we have 1, chain number 1, chain number 2, chain number 3. So we're going to insert at chain number 3 here. So we have, I hope you can see this, 1, 2, 3, and insert the hook at chain number 3 and pull through. So now we have 3 loops on the hook, and all these 3 loops we are going to yarn under and just pull all through the 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. So we are just going to do that. So we have 1 loop here already, yarn under the second loop, insert the hook at the next chain stitch, yarn under, pull through, and then we have 3 loops in the hook, yarn under and pull through all the 3 loops. So we're just going to do that. So we have 1 loop on the hook, yarn under, second loop, insert the hook at the chain stitch, and yarn under and pull through. So we have 3 loops, and then yarn under and pull through all the 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. So I'm just going to do it again. Yeah, so it's going to look like this. So this is also another basic crochet stitches, because it's very useful for different kind of projects and different kind of other more complicated stitches. So I'm just going to go again and do the same what I did before and do a half double crochet. Okay guys, so you can just stop this video and practice, and of course remember, practice makes you perfect. So just keep doing that, and then you will see that at the end you are going to achieve some really great results.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.